Hey guys, Mr.Saldivar here again for another round of digital theater. So we're going to start with our one-word check-in. So wherever you are, go ahead and find a seat, find yourself still, and go ahead and close your eyes. Take a breath in, let it out. I want you to take this time to think about your day from the moment that you woke up to the moment that you walked in this room. Maybe this is the last thing you're doing today. Maybe this is the first thing you're doing today. All the things that led up to today. And then I want you to come up with one word to describe your day. The word can be any word that you like, as long as that word is school appropriate. When you have it, go ahead and open your eyes. A couple more seconds. Here we go. And 3, 2, 1. Silly. All right, go ahead and put your hands out. Take all the good stuff, grab it, hold on to it, squeeze it in, don't let it go. All the bad stuff, throw it in the middle, push it down, 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 put it into a nice, neat little snowball. And right here, we're gonna feed it to the lava on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, hoocha. Before we hop into the lesson, it's time for the Tony Awards. First up, we have Peyton from Miss Hirato's class, who made this awesome superhero costume with his dad's mask, some colanders, and a whisk. Awesome job, Peyton. Next up, we have Annabella from Miss Edelkine's class, who made this awesome recycled superhero costume. Awesome job, Annabella. Last up, we have Liliana from Miss Petty's class, who went walking on the high wire with Mirette. Awesome job, Liliana. Congratulations to all our Tony winners. Awesome job, guys. If you want to be featured in next week's Tony Awards segment, make sure you send me a photo or a copy of your work. I want you right now to close your eyes and listen to this. Tell me what you hear. Did you think that there was somebody walking in here with high heels? Well, you would be wrong. It was me. I took these shoes and tapped them together like that to create the sound of somebody walking towards you and walking away. There's actually a job for this. It's called being a Foley artist. A Foley artist's job is to create sound effects for movies, theater, and all sorts of different experiences. And this week, you're going to get a chance to be a Foley artist. We're going to be creating our own thunderstorm using some things you've got lying around the house. We're going to have our rainmaker, and we're also going to have our thunder. So, here's some tips on how to make yours. Start by taking 2 paper plates and laying them flat on the table. Grab a handful of rice and sprinkle it into one of the plates. You don't need much, just a little bit will do. Take the empty plate and put it on top of the one with the rice. Then you're going to grab some tape and you're going to tape around the outside of the plates, making sure that you've sealed them both together. You're almost done. Give your rainmaker a little shake to make sure none of the rice is falling out. Finish up by decorating your rainmaker. I used some markers to create a rain cloud on mine. You could use crayons or colored pencils and make whatever you want on yours. Grab an empty toilet paper roll and a pair of scissors and cut down the middle. If you need help, ask mom or dad. Next, grab a piece of paper and use the toilet paper roll to guide you as you're cutting your piece of paper. You want it to be about the same size as the toilet paper roll. Once you've started the cut, you can go ahead and take your toilet paper roll away and finish cutting your piece of paper. Line up your paper with your toilet paper roll and grab a piece of tape to tape them together. I'm using this blue tape, but you can use whatever tape you have at your house. If your tape is a little bit longer than the toilet paper roll, that's okay. Just go ahead and fold it over on the other side. Give it a good shake, and you've got a thunder sheet. And that's all there is to it. So go ahead and grab your rainmaker and your thunder sheet, and we'll give them a try. Start by moving your rainmaker in slow circles. Shake it faster to make the rain seem like it's really coming down. Grab your thunder sheet and add some thunder. As the storm starts to go away, you can stop the thunder and go back to shaking your rainmaker in those small circles. I hope you guys had fun being a Foley artist and creating your thunderstorm. Send me a photo of your Foley equipment or send me a video of you making sound effects. I'd love to see them and have you featured in next week's video. I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.